In this video, I'll show you how to save or export a CapCut video directly to your phone's gallery in less than 2 minutes. To get started, open CapCut and select the project you want to save. Once you're in the editor, it's a good idea to review your entire video before exporting it. Make sure your cuts, text, music, effects, and transitions are all in place and that everything looks the way you want. When your video is ready, tap the export button in the top right corner of the screen. Depending on your version of CapCut, this button may appear as an upward arrow or simply display the word export. Before exporting, you'll be able to adjust the video quality. Here, you can choose the resolution, as long as it's supported by both your device and your project. After selecting your preferred quality, tap Export again. CapCut will begin processing your video, and you'll see a progress bar on the screen. While the video is exporting, avoid closing the app or locking your phone, as this could interrupt the process. Once the export is complete, CapCut will automatically save the video to your phone's gallery. On some devices, it will appear in the Videos folder, while on others it may be stored inside a folder named CapCut. You should also make sure your device has enough available storage, especially if you're exporting videos in high resolution. And that's it! As you can see, saving or exporting a CapCut video directly to your phone's gallery is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.